North American Sky Squad.
Chimcham News Network.
Check it out, guys. We got us a sun flare off the sun simulator. She's smoking. Woo! Got any hot dogs, marshmallows? Just put them up there and burn them weenies down. So there it is, boys and girls, Mesa, Arizona. This will go on all day. That means there's very nasty chemicals present because the flare off the sun simulator is only shown up when there's a movie screen. That is not hexagonal, paragonal ice in the Mesa, Arizona sky. It's actually hot. I got tint on this door, and it's so hot you can feel the heat behind the tent, which is a summertime, not a December 24th thing, but it is what it is here at the Chemtrail News Network, showing you the ice nucleation going on in Mesa, Arizona. This is a normal thing in Mesa, Arizona. You know, why isn't, the Phoenix news agencies reporting fire in my sky? I guess it just doesn't matter. I mean, it matters to me. Now, they can say whatever they want, but it's because it proves geoengineering is going down, baby. So, shh, be quiet. Suppress. Suppress, suppress. It's a beautiful place. Welcome to the Truman Show, Bear. Shh, it's the Truman Show. Coming to you live, North American Sky Squad. Chemtrail News Network, Carver 1-3, busting geoengineering on 12/24/2018. It's currently 5:01, ambient temperature 67 degrees. We're laying it out there, folks. Ain't no contrail. No, sir. Yep, there he is, the dirty polluter. Coming to you live. Hello, dirty polluter. It's important to note, these are all my pictures. Thank you, Samsung. You make an amazing product. Sometimes I have so much to say, but nothing to say. I guess I gotta thank these guys for teaching me how to edit, learning things that I did not know, because I had the desire to expose them to this style. Still believe in geoengineering? Look at this. Do your homework, folks. It's happening. Yeah, let's back that for you. Merry Christmas from Arizona. God bless everybody. I guess they're trying to make snow for somebody. We just caught the plane doing that. There's my house. It's my life. Cue music. It's just a contract.